Okay, the next one we're going to look at is solar panels. There's two different types of solar panels. One is one where water passes through the panels and it can heat up the water a little bit. That's not what we're talking about here. We're talking about photovoltaic cells where the sunlight hits panels and it gets turned directly into electricity. It's really the only energy resource we have here that doesn't end with turns turbine, turns a generator, generates electricity. Is it renewable? Yes, if we use sunlight today, there'll be some in the future. Is it reliable? No, particularly in Northern Ireland, we can't be too sure when it is going to be sunny. And in fact, we can be certain it's not overnight. Can it respond to changes in demand? No, we can't make it sunnier when we need to meet a higher demand for electricity. Does it produce CO2? Not in use. They do produce a little bit of CO2 while they're getting made, but we'd say it doesn't contribute to global warming. We could put another, it's not really suitable for everywhere. The closer you are to the equator, the more energy you can get from solar panels. Biomass is essentially the same as our fossil fuel power plant. The only difference is that rather than burning coal, we burn either wood or else we plant crops, ferment them, turn them into ethanol, and then we burn that ethanol as our fuel. The difference between it and fossil fuels is that makes it renewable, okay? Because if I plant a crop, use it to produce my electricity, I can grow another crop the next year. Is it reliable? Yeah, we can have a store of wood, and then if I have that, I can definitely burn wood tonight to produce electricity. Can it respond to changes in demand? Yes, we can burn more of the fuel when we need to produce more electricity. Does it produce CO2? Now this might be a little bit strange. Under the right circumstances, no. Overall, we would say that it is carbon neutral in that when the tree is growing, for instance, it takes in carbon dioxide, and then when we burn it, it releases that carbon dioxide. As long as we continue to plant those trees, there is no net production of carbon dioxide. The main drawback of this then, because they all look quite positive, is you need crops to do it, and those crops could be used to feed people, so it can then in turn make food more expensive.